Yeah, Adya, Mariana, when did you all see the message, students? While I joined late. Okay, what time? Till what time is Koya? Okay, till 4:30. Good evening, Mariana. Lemula, Adya, did you all understand this chapter? You all had missed few classes, right? About oh, only 4 or 5 rules to. Yeah, try this 10th main second one. All of you will complete it. We'll start now. It's almost 20 minutes late. Yes. In triangle PBC, exterior angle. Which is exterior angle, Tanishka? PBC. Exterior angle is 120 and B. What calculation is this? What interior opposite? Okay, BCP. Hmm. Okay, you could even use straight line, right? You would have got BPC. BPC would have been 60. BCP. How come BCP 95? 95, 100. Okay, correct. 95, 100, 120. So the question is BCP is equals to BCP. This is, yeah, this is tilted towards left. No, Tanishka, I understood. No problem. BCP. In BCP, BP. So BC, ADB, ADB, AD. No. See, angle of same segment you have taken, right? Which is angle same segment? What do you mean by same segment, Tanishka? The meaning itself is wrong. What you have to look? Their arc should be same, right? Basic concept you have gone wrong. Where is arc same? The meaning of same segment is it should lie on the same arc. Look, BP is one arc, AB is one arc. How can they be same? That is wrong. Try it again. See, when you tell arc of same segment, students, angles of same segment, arc should be same. All of you completed? Did you try this? Okay, O is the center of the circle. AOB. There is D given. Total, we have two triangles. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, it's wrong. Okay, let me check. Let me do it. This angle is 25 degree. Lemula, Naomi, did you try? Mariana, Adia, good try student. Just looking at the diagram. Huh? Still planning how to start, where to start. 25 degree, 20 degree. Find the value of ADB. This is the question. Forget about this int. Okay, forget about it. See, only one question is asked. One diagram, one question. You have to find ADB. Where is angle ADB? ADB. Okay, this angle. See, all of you listen. Listen here. All of you stop doing. Stop writing, students. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who is missing? 1, 2. There's 1. Okay, ADB is the triangle. If you take triangle, then which one is arc here? Which one is the arc? Can you tell? AB is the arc. Yeah, if you take AB line, student, this becomes triangle. Don't, I'm not talking about line, I'm talking about the arc here. On the same arc, see, we want to find angle D. It's very simple concept. If you want to find angle D, use the same arc and tell me the other triangle. What's the other triangle? The first triangle. Which is the other triangle? ACB. If we find ACB, both angles will be same. Both are same. See, look here. Angle ADB is equals to angle ACB. Can you see AB and AB are arc for both? It's arc, right? Now you can write the statement as angles of same segment. Angles of same segment. You don't have to mug up, memorize anything. When we tell angles of same segment, look here, angles. It's a plural word, which means these two angles, angle C and angle D, of same segment. The meaning of same segment is same arc. What's the arc here? What is the arc, students? For both the triangles, what's the arc? AB. AB. That's it. This is the statement you have to write. Now we have to find ACB. ACB is in which triangle? All of you tell me ACB is in which triangle? And not ACB, sorry. Angle C is in which triangle? Angle C is in which triangle? The second one, total. Look here, total. How many triangles are there, students? Total, how many triangles? Can you see there are three triangles? APC. What is that? PCB, right? PCD is not triangle. They didn't join. Okay, PCD is not a triangle. They haven't joined it. So PCB is a triangle. Then what's the other one? Yeah, you can even take APB, this triangle. Now, if you want to find angle C, see, first concept is whatever question they give, whatever question they have given, find the value. Okay, whatever question they have given, find the value, write the formula like this. Angle of same segment. Now, the value of ACB should be given. Okay, the value of ACB should be found. It's not given. Now look at this triangle, ACB, right? ACB. So you'll take C, B, and P. What's the reason? Why did I choose this triangle? Can somebody give me a reason? Why did I choose PCB? Exterior angle. Yeah. Most important is our angle value is given 25 degree given here. 25. That's it. Exterior angle is 120. PC is a straight line. Then what is the value of BPC? What is BPC? 180 minus 120. What's the value? 60. Then in triangle PCB, angle P is 60 degree, B is 25. What will be angle C? 180 minus 60 plus 25. You can use this, or you can use even exterior angle concept. This is a triangle. Exterior angle. Can you tell me exterior angle formula? What Tanishka had written? Exterior angle is equals to sum of interior. Yes, interior opposite angles. So 120. This 120 should be equal to angle C and angle B. So this formula is very easy. Exterior angle formula is easy. And I took angle PCB because we need to find C. Angle B value is given. Okay, angle B value is given, and C is what we have to find. Yes. Question. Who is this? DSC? Yeah, 10th main second on the 10th main second question. What they have asked us to find? Okay, all of you use this formula exterior angle. So exterior angle is, you can take this APB. APB is equals to PCB plus CBP. That is equals to 120 PCB plus CBP, 25 degrees. So angle PCB is equals to 120 minus 25. Tanishka, what's the answer you got? PCB is it 90, 95? Correct, 95 degrees. If that is 95, you can write here. Okay, same arc. ACB is also 95. Therefore, angle ADB is equals to 95 degrees. Yes, students done? All of you completed? First, whatever they ask, try to figure out how to find that angle ADB. So ADB, you can't use triangle. Circle is given. Okay, look here, I'll tell you. Don't get confused looking at the question, students. Look, ADB is given. All of you look at the screen. If you have completed, stop writing. Stop writing. Look at this. If you look at this triangle ADB, is any angle given, students? Do we have angle D, angle A, angle B? Is any angle given? Lemula, Naomi, in this specific triangle, is any angle mentioned? No, right? So yeah, you can't use any formula, interior angle, exterior, nothing can be used. Triangle concept cannot be used here. Then only option left is segment and sector. In segment and sector, we know angle D. Angle D is what they have asked, the middle one. So that angle D is formed on the circumference. We have to check whether it is circumference or center. It's formed in the circumference. So it should definitely be segment formula. Then look at the arc. A and B will be the arc. In triangle ADB, if they ask us to find angle D, the other two is definitely the arc. On the same arc, check if any other triangle is left. We have ACB. Okay, then take out ACB separately. That is what I have done here. You take ACB separately. You can see one angle is given, B is given, and exterior is given. In triangle, total how many angles do we have in a triangle, students? Total how many angles in a triangle? How many angles are there? Total there are three angles. Three angles. If any two angles are given, is it possible to find the other angle? Possible, right? If you apply sum of interior angle, okay, it is possible. So this is where you apply triangle concept. Fine. Next, ABC. Even if one value is given, for example, 50 degrees is given here. If only one value is given, is it possible to find A and C? All of your answer. Is it possible to find A and C, students? All right. No, no. Now you tell me. Is any markings given here? No. There's no marking, nothing. So if there is no marking on the triangle, always look for two values, students. Two values like this. If there is no marking on the triangle, it doesn't indicate whether it is scalene, isosceles or equilateral. Not even right angle triangle. Okay. If any right angle triangle is given, this value will be given like this. For a right angle triangle, only one value is enough. You can find the other one. This is how you have to answer. As soon as you see the question, the diagram, you should have an idea from where to start. Like this. Now the second triangle. In triangle ABC, only 50 is given. But if they are given mark like this, now tell me which triangle is this? Isosceles. Opposite angles will be equal, 50 and 50. The other one will be 80. This is to observe. Yes. Observe the triangles. Don't blindly just look for arc or try to apply sector segment theorem. It won't work. Always start with triangle. Next, the same triangle, check if it is extended anywhere outside, on left hand side, right hand side, top. It should be a straight it should be a straight line. See, this you can't consider as exterior. When I tell about exterior, it should be a straight line like this. This is exterior angle, this is exterior. You can apply exterior formula. These things are exterior angle, but you can't apply formulas. What's the reason? Can you tell me? Are they straight lines? They are not straight lines. Here, in the first diagram, this diagram, they are straight lines. P, Q, R, S. This P, Q, R, S is a straight line. So apply exterior angle concept. I'll once again explain this exterior. Look, if exterior was supposed to be 800 degrees. A, B. And A they have given it as 50. So what is exterior angle formula? It should be sum of interior opposite angle. Both will be 50. Both are 50, right? Like this. You can find like this. How Tanishka apply the formula, you can apply the fine. If you're getting, if you couldn't realize the formula, straight line concept. If exterior is 100, interior should be 80 degree. So we got two values in a triangle. Forget about exterior. Look, now we have two values, interior. Apply interior angle concept. 180 minus 80 plus 50. You will still get 50 degrees. Okay, this is how you are supposed to solve it. Try this question. Chord is given. Split the triangle. All of you will try the 11th one. Yeah, be quick, students. Try the 11th one. 11th one is tough. It's a tough question. Check cyclic quadrilateral triangle. First preference. Next, go with parallel lines. There are no parallel lines. Sector or segment. Center is also given, and there are few lines, dotted lines, which is touching the center. So even parallel sector concept, you can apply even sector. Try this. See the triangle thing which I explained it from 8th and 9th. I'm teaching you all. By now you all should be thorough with that. Exterior, interior, parallel line, isosceles, equilateral. In the given figure, O is the center. O. Okay, is B and D a straight line, students? Can you see B and D? Are they in a straight line? It's not a diameter. Remember, B and D are not diameter. You can't apply angle on semicircle concept here. That's the reason A is not 90 degree. A is 75. Okay, complete this. Dotted lines are given. First, write the question. See what they was. BOC, OBD, BCD. Split those triangles. The chord BC is equals to chord CD. BC is equals to CD. Okay, read the question properly. BC is equals to CD. It is a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD in which BC is equals to CD. If two sides are equal, it is isosceles triangle. DBC is isosceles. So make use of that concept. BOC, OBD, BCD. Yeah, Naomi, can you explain this? Did you complete Lemula, Naomi? Almost done. Look out for these four topics for students. Always go with cyclic quadrilateral first. B, yes, fine. How much you completed, Naomi? Only the first B or C? Okay, B or C. Next, OBD. See, OBD is a triangle. Draw separate triangle. BCD. BCD is also triangle. And triangle BDC is isosceles. Okay, what's the value for BOD? BOC? Naomi, 75. That is already given, right? BAD 75. Huh? You have written the same value. Hmm. To copy that and write, you have taken 2 minutes, Naomi, and that answer is wrong. You told you like RCB. What is this RCB fans? You're answering like this. You should be clever, Naomi. As soon as you see the question, you should figure out what is angle A, angle C. You have just copied that 75 degree and you've written there. Huh? See, this is tough question, students. One of the tough questions. If you're able to solve this, good, it is understood that you'll know the concept. Because here we use cyclic quadrilateral is used, segment theorem, sector theorem, even triangle theorem is also used. What about Lemula, Mariana? What's the answer you all got, students? Lemula and Mariana. How long? How long you all take to do, students? One question is Lemula online. Unmute the call. This chapter you all are struggling. You're not answering. Other chapters you'll answer. Okay, now I'll give you another 2 minutes. Complete it. Excuse me. How many of you have done it? Adya, Tanishka, Ivania, Diyashri, Lamila, can you answer? Is it wrong? Why is it wrong? BC. What is given here? Is it wrong? That's the problem, Tanishka. If you have read it, by now you would have completed. It's clearly given chord BC is equals to chord CD. Is it correct or wrong? Equals to means which is a triangle? Isosceles. Tell me the full word, Mariana. Isosceles what? Isosceles circle? Tell me the full word. Isosceles what? Isosceles triangle. So where is the triangle here? Which one will be isosceles triangle? BD and C. AB, which one you want to take as isosceles? Tell me, you take another angle. See, BC and chord DC are isosceles, right? They're equal. Mariana, unmute the call, Mariana. I'm teaching, right? If these two are equal, where is this point connecting? B and D, right? Understood which one forms a triangle? So what is angle C, students? Mariana, what is angle C? If angle A is 75, what is angle C? 105. 105, can you find angle B and D? Only this part you will be able to find, not entire B, only one part. But see, there is a reason why they have mentioned equal, so that you form a triangle like this and you have to do it. Okay, simply they won't write, they won't mention two chords are equal, isosceles, equilateral. There has to be some reason. Lemula, can you tell me the answer? Lemula, you told you completed, right? Tell me. Hmm. Which one? Which triangle? Which triangle you're explaining? Okay, you have to find BOC. So take triangle BOC separately. BOC, right? Hmm. In BOC, is any value given here? Even one angle is given, right? Yeah, so you can't find. What did I tell? Starting always go with cyclic quadrilateral. See, take BOC, student. BOC, not even a single angle is given. Fine. So start with cyclic quadrilateral. Is it a cyclic quadrilateral? All of you will stop writing. Look at the screen. Adya, Dheeraj, Naomi, Ivania. Yeah, look at the screen, students. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. Which two angles should be equal? I mean, 180 degree angle A plus angle C is 180. So before that, quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic 180 degree. Therefore, angle C is equals to 180 minus 75. What's the value? 105 degrees. Okay, so once you complete that 105, next, which one is required? BOC is not given. OBD and BCD. Fine. Which angle we found now? Did we find this answer for this angle BCD? BCD answer we got 105, right? So out of 3 marks, 1 mark, to at least 1 mark you'll get. You start like this, you'll get 1 mark. Now we'll go with BOC and OBD. BOC, OBD. See, this is the answer. Make a note of this. This is the answer for BCD. BCD is 105. All of you will complete this. And one more thing, sometimes you can't find it in order. Look, don't expect they'll give it in order. BOC, you can't directly find BOC, OBD. Okay, so first BCD. Whatever answers you'll get, write it. Later we'll find BOC and OBD. First BCD is done. BCD is 105. All of you are done? Completed this? Yes, be quick students. If you're done, let me know. So first one BCD is done 105 degrees. We got it as 105. Next BOC. Now before finding BOC, BCD. Just look at BCD 105. These two angles are equal. So what's the value of angle B and D? Chord BC is equals to CD. O is given. Yeah, tell me. What's the value, students? 180 minus, you can take it as x and x. Both are same. So 180 minus 105 is equals to 2x. Get it in decimal, right? X is equals to 75 divided by 2. Okay, just keep it as 75 divided by 2, students. Keep these values as 75 divided by 2. Fine, isosceles. Now, next one. If angle, look at the angle ADB, BAD. In angle BAD, which is the arc? For angle BAD, which is the arc? Angle like this. BD is the arc. For angle BAD, students, triangle BD is the arc. Okay, the angle formed on the circumference is 75. Then what will be the value of BOD? Twice 150 degree. BOD is 150. So let me take BOD, triangle BOD. Look, BOD. 150 degrees. Okay, now tell me, look at triangle BOD and tell me what kind of triangle is this? Check properly. O is center. Why isosceles? Why isosceles? OB, OC. That's it. So what are these two angles? Find these two. I don't think this is required. Huh? Which one? No, yes, Mariana, same. B and DRX. 180 minus 150 is 30. 30 divided by 2, both are 15, 15. Correct? All of you understood till here? Write this statement, students. BOD. See, we know angle A is formed on the circumference. Then why are not looking at the value? Why can't you apply circumference and not circumference? Center and circumference concept. Hmm? How many times to explain? Angle A is on the circumference. B and D are arc. So BOD is equals to twice, not BOD, sorry. Angle formed in the center. Which is the angle formed in the center? Yeah, BOD is twice of BAD. So BOD is equals to 2 times 75. That is equals to 150 degrees. Angle BOD. Then take out this BOD separate. 15, 15 degrees. Now we have to find BOC. Let me take out BOC separate. BOC. Naomi Lemula. Which is center here? In this triangle, which is center, students? Adya, O is center. So from center, if I connect to C and center to B, what are they? You see from center O and C, Naomi and Lemula. Okay, others can you answer what is OC and OB, students? What do you call them? Radius? Uh, if radius, same thing. Look, I've taken BOC. BOC is the radius, right? Now can you tell me the total value of B? 15, 15. Okay, what's the total value of B, students? We have 15 plus previous, what did we get for BDC? You got it in decimal, right? For BDC, what did we get? Yeah, can you tell me the value for B? 75 divided by 2. What is 75 divided by 2? 37 point. So what will be OBC, students? OBC, isn't OBC total value? Right? So which two angles are equal here? Yeah, which two angles are equal? Angle B will be equal to angle C. So how much is 37.5 plus 15? 52.5. So what about angle C? Then what is the value of angle C? How will you find angle O here? 180 minus 52.5 plus 52.5. Joanna, why are you late? Reason, Joanna, what's the reason? 5 o'clock, I sent a message, right? To attend at 5. Don't see the message. Okay. Fine. 52.5 plus 52.5 is So 75 degrees. Okay. That time Naomi told 75. How did you get 75, Naomi? No, no, not by mistake. Your answer is correct, but I need the explanation. Directly from textbook, you saw the answer and you gave me. Then that's a tough question. What's the answer in textbook? Can you check now, Naomi? Is it 75? Check. Take even 2 minutes. Check the answer. Yes. Till 8 o'clock, Mariana. Till what time you want to attend, Mariana? Today? Till 8 o'clock. What time you have science? 7. Okay, 7:45. Till 7:45 I'll conduct, Mariana. You joined late, right? For 5 o'clock's class, you joined at 5:30 and you're asking till what time? Why, do you have any other work, Mariana? No, no. You're not giving correct answers. What's the answer, Naomi? Mariana, Naomi, check the answer of BOC. Uh, then how come you're not telling me the steps, Naomi, but your answer is right, 75? Yes, is correct. 75 degrees is correct. In exam, will they give you textbook answers? No, right? We have to solve it. Okay, now I explain this, students. I want you all to find triangle OBD. Draw triangle OBD separately. Adya, Diyashri, others, did you all understand this? How we found BOC? Okay. So use isosceles triangle, you'll get value of B. Wait, let me see if there is any other value. If you want to find BOC, BC is the arc. For angle BC, okay, we could have even done it like this. Actually, this is a very long procedure. See, this is one way of doing, students. Can you tell me the other way? What are we supposed to find? Can you tell me the other way? What are we supposed to find here? BOC. For angle BOC, which one is arc? For angle BOC, which is the arc? See, on the same arc. On the same arc, what's the other triangle formed? Check where is the other triangle formed for BC. Is it formed on the center or circumference? And where is BOC formed? Where is BOC? Center. So what will be the formula? BOC twice. Yeah, twice of which one? What's the angle formed on circumference? BD. See? Yes. So angle BOC is equals to twice of BDC. If you want to find BDC, take out BDC triangle. Simple. Look here. BDC. We got to know C is 105. Isosceles triangle. What's the value you all got? 57 point? No, not 57. Lemula, what did you say for this? What did you all get? 75 divided by 2, right? 37.5. So BDC is 2 into 37.5. How much is 2 into 37.5? 75 degrees. You can even find in this way. Now OBD students, look at OBD. I think we found the value of OBD, right? How much is OBD? We have already done that. OBD, draw separate OBD triangle. OBD is isosceles triangle. OBD is isosceles. Joanna, this recording I'll send it. After this class I'll send. You have to go through from the beginning. Okay, done? Yes, Mariana. Mariana, yesterday we solved all easy questions, Mariana. You attended, right? What time did you join? I mean, after 15-20 minutes you joined, right? Okay, after half an hour. You were late by half an hour? 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, I'll send it to you now. Fine, I'll send. BOC OBD. So BOC, I used triangle and I told you all how to find students. You can use triangle or you can use even arc property, BOC. Okay, triangle and arc, BOC, BDC. Forget about all this. This explanation what they have given, that will be confusing. Okay, 12th question. Enough. Till 12. I'll stop the recording here.